The Jug Plug Flex Fit is designed to adapt to nearly every jug on the market, fitting perfectly on jugs with both 45mm and 48mm openings. Whether you're using a screw top or crown top jug, the Jug Plug Flex Fit ensures a secure seal every time. Other water jug caps can be unreliable, easily coming loose when the jug is set down or moved, creating unnecessary spills and messes. Don't let a faulty cap ruin your day. Installing the Jug Plug Flex Fit is simple and hassle-free. Step 1. Align the Jug Plug Flex Fit over the rim of your water jug, ensuring that it is centered. Step 2. Press down firmly on the center of the jug plug with the palm of your hand until it sits evenly with the surface of the jug. The Jug Plug Flex Fit creates a leak-proof seal, providing peace of mind and eliminating the hassle of messy spills. Reusable and made from food-grade silicone, it keeps your water pure and fresh, fit for any jug, time after time. Upgrade your water storage with a reliable, versatile Jug Plug Flex Fit, where quality and convenience meet.